Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you want to learn how to reupholster a crib into something new, stay tuned, watch this video. Don't forget at the end of the video to like and subscribe to my channel, and let's begin. Okay, you guys, this is the crib. It was a cherry wood color before I started painting it. It was in good condition. It had a few scuff marks on there, as you can see, but like I said, still in really good condition. I was given this crib. I was trying to stay within a budget, didn't really have the money to spend $300 or $400 on a brand new crib, so I thought I could reupholster this crib and make it something special. Okay guys, so the first step in reupholstering your crib is sanding it down. You want to make sure that you sand down every part of the crib really good. You don't want your paint to bleed through once you do start painting it. So make sure you're taking your time and sanding every inch of the crib down. So that's what I'm doing right here, just making sure that I get every inch of the crib sanded down before I start painting it. Our dad and I decided to paint the wall floor first before we started painting the crib. I can't remember what color this is that's on the wall, but it's in between like a lavender and a sky blue. It came out really nice, so we decided to do that before jumping in and painting the crib. This process will take a little lengthy time, so if you want to put on some music while you're doing it, that's what I did, and just, you know, enjoy the moment. I can't wait for my baby girl to be here. I'm scheduled to go in on November the 4th, so I hope I can make it all the way through. I'm roughly about 5 months pregnant now, and I just can't wait to meet her and love on her and just kiss her and give her all the love that we can give her. So yeah, so this is the crib, and I'm just making sure that I'm getting every inch of that crib sanded down before I start painting it. Okay, so the next step after sanding your crib down is to wipe it down, preferably with a warm rag. This will help get all those dust particles from the sand off your crib and to make it nice and smooth. So you just want to take and wipe it down really good and get your crib ready to apply your paint. So we're down to the final step, which is painting the crib. This is a paint that I chose. It's a Valspar chalk paint, and this is the color, and I believe that that's the paint number. Excuse the lighting, but yeah, it's in a chalky finish, and I picked it up from Lowe's. And I also used a butter knife to pop it open. It was kind of hard to get it open with a butter knife, so I don't know if y'all can suggest something. You can drop a comment below, but yeah, that's what I had handy, was a butter knife, so that's what I had to use, and eventually I wound up getting it open. It took a little while, but yeah. So like I said, it's a pale green color. I thought that would be really nice to paint the crib, and I don't know what I was looking for here, but yeah, this is the paint brush that I chose. I don't know the number, and this is also the paint can. And when you're painting the crib, just remember to use gentle strokes. You don't want to rush it and wind up having bubbles, and that'll just mess the whole process up. So just remember to take your time. That's a little mess. I still wanted to protect myself, even though it's supposed to be like organic paint. I still wanted to put something over my face and not breathe in any of the chemicals if there were any. So like I said before, just take your time, do gentle strokes, and yeah, and you'll be done in no time. I'm almost done with painting this side of the crib. It literally took me all night to paint the entire crib and roughly about 2 days to complete this DIY project. That's because after the paint dried, I applied a second coat of paint. As you can see in the video, you can still see the original wood of the crib. So applying 2 coats of paint works best for me, but it's whatever's up to your liking and would suit you best. So yeah, I just applied a second coat of paint after the paint dried. The crib came out really nice after applying the second coat of paint. So continue to watch this video and stay tuned for the final results. Okay, you guys, so this is the final results of how the crib turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.